Hello, I'm Erika Rodriguez, and this is the task 8 for English word talking about your event. So in this case, we're related to Elon Musk. We can answer some questions about him, and that's it. So the first question is, what do you know about this millionaire? Well, I don't know much about this person. I heard that invest your money in a Tesla company. That is one of the founders. I heard that this company is related with the electric parts. So this is the only thing that I know of this man, unfortunately. The second question is, what do you think of his business and his companies? I think it's great that invest your money in a company that we cannot take care of the environment. So because many people that have money don't invest in the things that help the humanity, that help the planet, that help the animals, that help the plants. So I think it's great that Elon Musk invest your money in this. I heard that he even invest your money in a travel space. So it's good for me. It's good for me that his business and his company is just related with this, with the technology, and maybe with the things that help the humanity in the future. So the next question is, what is the influence this correctly has on the world and society? So in this case, I think we have a great influence in the world and even in the society because if you invest the money in the things that help the society, like the environment and even the travel spaces, you have to help the society. So many people doesn't care about this. So mm, now with this task, I know that this man invests your money in Twitter, in the social media of Twitter, and I think it's good. So this man is not only thinking in or focusing on one thing, so it's focusing many things. In this case, Twitter, that is the social media for many people talk and give you notice. Yeah, so I think it's good. The next question is, what do you think of the use of make of his money? So I feel like the way that you invest your money because for me it's very important to think in the environment, in the world, in the plants. Even I have a daughter. I think in the future for her. So the use of the money in the people that have great influence and have a lot of money for doing something in the world is very very important for me. So I think the use of the money is good. I'm not sure if it's this money invested in me, maybe, but I think it's great that you use your money for something that are really, really important. That you don't waste your money in things that are very superficial. That this is one of the things that some magnates use your money. You know, so I think it's great the use of the money on your ideas for take care of the environment, take care of the planet, take care of humanity. The last question is, in this case, is related for me. So, what would you do if you were a millionaire? If I were a millionaire, I could, I could, I couldn't go to work anymore. So my lifestyle changed. So I could study. I could be study a lot of, but although it's not necessary to work. So I spend the time with my family and hang out with friends. But I think we have another vision. So for me, if I were a millionaire, I could study a lot of many things to improve my English, and even I can learn some other languages. Um, and still time with my daughter and give you a better lifestyle. So this is the 5 questions related to this, and I host this little video with some sentence that Elimo said. That is, we want to stop until all the cars on the road are electric. So I think it's related to your company, the company Tesla of the electric cars. So it's good. It's good. I like this phrase. This is the reason that I put in my presentation. So thank you so much. That's it.